even gonna do the intro, bro. I'm coming back, bro. Okay, that was so cringe. Be quiet, bro. You're a cop. Let me grab. Ooh, why are these faces so ugly? Skins, arms. Oh my gosh. Where's the bro? Where's the freaking bro? Where's the oh my god. Oh, body.
We're gonna have fun. Where you wanna go? Like
I don't know.
you can pick anywhere.
Oh, I know. Oh. Here. But where are you now? Oh, there.
We're going over here.
Oh,
here.
Oh, I remember. I love. Hey, this is cool.
So everything changed today.
Why did it? Bro, now.
I played
bro,
it once before.
It's. Bro, they copied the whole game, even the door. Right?
Where's the boss?
They copied the scary baboon door too. Oh, it's there.
How is it tripping? You saw something. I'm going in there.
Oh my fudging god! I'm tripping balls right now. I'm tweaking. I'm tripping. I'm tripping, dog. Dog, I'm scared. What's it? This is what is that? Well, at least that's not scary. Oh fuck! Hurry! I'm tripping. What the fudge are you?
Subscribe to Baboonver.
What the? Nah, this game is hard. Oh, I'm scared, right? I gotta run outside. Bro, where are you? Why you die? I'm lost. I'm in the stairs, like I'm in the stairs. Bro, let me send you a picture. It might be. Now I'm gonna send you a pic. I'm good. Look at the pic. Why? I'm already going with the. I'm already watching. Oh, I just see. Oh, I'm in a weird place with. Can I send you a picture of where I am? I'm safe, bro. Am I safe? Nah, bro, I'm lost. Like, bro, I'm like lost. I don't know where you died. Nah, I'm trying to look for it. Okay, I'm going down. I'm going down the stairs. Oh, fudge, bro. Oh my. This place is. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Bro, I'm tripping. Oh my gosh, that place is so dark. Oh, nah, I fall. I don't have walk anymore, though. My balls are gone. My god. Okay. Oh, man. I don't have. I'm going to. Oh, I found it. Oh, I'm close. I found the monster. I'm back. Bro. I'm back. Oh my god. I'm gonna end the video now.